Hello folks, welcome to WM Originals. Myself Akhil, back with another Windows 10 tutorial. And in this tutorial I am going to tell you all how to make a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive using Media Creation tool for free. The main benefit of using Media Creation tool is that it's official and not a third party app. Secondly, it makes a bootable flash drive with the latest version of Windows 10. And today I will make a bootable flash drive with Windows 10 version 2004. So if you are interested in getting latest version of Windows 10 and or Windows 10 PC, do watch full video. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to WM Originals. Let's start this video and open Microsoft Edge and now search for Media Creation tool. First non-sponsored link is for official website. Click on that and open official Windows 10 product page, which has various methods of getting Windows 10 May 2020 update. I have already shared a video on how to get Windows 10 May 2020 update using Update Assistant. If you want to watch that video, you can check the description of this video or check YouTube cards as well. Now today we will create a bootable flash drive using Media Creation tool. I will share this link in description of this video so that you can easily visit and download this tool. You can also learn more about the tool itself and how to use it on this official website. It has all the details on how to use it and much more details on the same. Click on download tool now. Once it's done, click on open now. It starts loading and mentions getting a few things ready and then ask for accepting applicable notices and license terms. Click agree, then it again mentions getting a few things ready and then it asks for what you want to do. Well, we want to create installation media which can be used to install Windows 10 later. Select second option and click next. Meanwhile, don't forget to plug in your USB drive which should be empty. If not, I will suggest you to format your USB, and for that you can follow these steps. Press Windows plus E to open Windows Explorer and from there right click on the USB drive you just plugged in and from context menu select format. Click on start from dialog box, it opens up and click OK on the warning which shows doing the step will erase all the data from your USB drive. Once done, it comes up with a formation format complete. Click OK and close other dialog box as well. Now coming back to Media Creation tool, from here click next. Now from here one can select Windows 10 edition, language and architecture. What I will suggest is go through with the recommended options for this PC. But as this is a flash drive which can be used on other devices as well, uncheck and from this drop down menu you can select various options as per your preference. Select language and the edition will be Windows 10 only. But yes, you can select architecture which can be both 64-bit and 32-bit as well. After you have selected your preferred options, click next and now from here you can choose which media to use, USB flash drive or ISO file. Select USB flash drive, but if you want to download ISO file, you can select second options and then later use that ISO to burn to a DVD. For now, select USB flash drive and click next. After that, it will show up with the list of detected USB flash drives. Here I have one flash drive plugged into my laptop. Click next and it starts downloading Windows 10. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. Download will be of around 5 GB. Once download completes, it will verify your download and then will start creating Windows 10 media. And finally, it mentions your USB flash drive is ready. Click on finish and your flash drive is ready to use with the latest version of Windows 10, which is Windows 10 May 2020 update. Now you can use that USB to install latest Windows 10 on any laptop. So this is what I had in this video. If you have any questions, you can ask those in comments. Next, I will come up with a video on how to use this USB drive to clean install Windows 10. If you like this video, hit like and don't forget to share it with others as well. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can ask those in comments. I will love to answer those. Bye bye. Have a nice day.